Hello everyone, welcome back to video number 3 in regards to recycle view. So let's go ahead and get started. We are in the myadapter.java. I'm just going to go into it. Let's see, private, we need context, and then we need to do a private list item, and we'll call it list items. And why is everything all blurry for me here? Private's not allowed. All right, let's see. Hold on. Geez, I just started this up. Why is it not allowing me to do it? Oh, hold on. I think I'm doing it wrong. My adapter. All right, so I'm losing my mind. I already declared the privates up here. So this dot context, because I have to set it, equals context. So I'm not even thinking. This dot list items equals list item. What the heck? All right, so that, let's see here. This item, I think it's set. It looks good, except if it was equals instead of minus. All right, why does it not like it? There's a way to start off. Let's see here. List items equals list item. Because I called it list item up here, so it's the same as this guy right here. And I don't know why it's playing games with me. There we go. Copy and paste it, because for some reason we did it the other way, it doesn't work. All right, so now we need to build the other section of this code. So now that we have the my adapter viewed up here, we could actually take this out here and just make it my view holder, and it'll work fine. And so let's see here. So we have my view holder. So now we need to do something called inflating the XML. So what is inflating XML? It's it converts the XML layout into corresponding groups, such as view groups and widgets, and in a way that it inflates the view inside the fragment and on the create view method. So it's just a way to what's the word I'm looking for? It's like an optional way to get away from a parameter in essence. So let's actually code it here, because me talking about it doesn't make any sense. So let's go down here, and we're going to need a view. So we'll go in a couple spaces and call it view. View equals layout inflator, just as it sounds. It needs a passive view. So we'll do dot from the context. In this case, will be the parent, which we declared up here. Dot context. Dot actually get context, because we want to get the context from up here. So get context. Oops, I can't spell. There we go. Then we need a open close bracket, and there we go. All right, now we need to do dot inflate, and we need to pass in our resources. So r dot layout dot list row, comma our parent, comma false value. Oh, and then semicolon, so execution. All right, something doesn't look right here, if you ask me. So why is that? Cannot resolve parent. It doesn't understand the resource. What is going on here? So, oh, hold on. Let's see. I don't know if it's because I don't have the return in here. So we need to have a return statement, but I did just see something come up here. So we need to have a return null. What the heck? Com ccac. All right, what the heck is going on? All right, I'm back here. So I should take a little break here trying to figure out what was going on. So if you remember what I had before, it was a little different. So this right here is the right code. It just took me a few minutes to play around with it to figure out what was going on. It just had some things typed wrong. So what I'm gonna do is, in this video, after I complete this video, I think we have, I don't know, a good bit to go. Then the last video, I'm gonna have you try to figure out the rest to see if you could, that'll be part of the time, and just see if you could do some research and figure out how this will actually complete. That'll be a challenge for this week, a different challenge. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go down to, let's see here, let's see what we're missing here. I feel like we're missing something. All right, we have public view class view holder, extends recycle, okay, that's right. And then we have public view holder. So down here we need to code something here. So we need to do public text view, name, and then we need to do description that we did up there in another video. Description. There we go. And then if I needed this right here, we need to do a super item view, I think. All right, so that doesn't like that for now, but we'll have to come back to that one. Okay, so this right here is a little messed up for some reason. So let's start from scratch because something doesn't seem right. Oops, I don't know what that is. We need to do public view holder, and then we need to pass in a view, do item view, we'll call it. I think I had this backwards. And then go down here. Then we should be able to do a super item view. There it is. See, it wasn't picking up before because I had it completely wrong. I think I had the bracket going out instead of in. So now what we need to do is we need to get the count of our items that we do on our list. All right, so this also looks a little funky. I think we did the override, and now I look back at it, I think it just messed it up a little bit, to be honest with you. So I need to kind of purge some of this. I'm not exactly sure what the heck's going on. So we need to do get item count. We have, and then we need to do this, and then we need to do return list items, and we need to get the size. Oh, did I do it wrong? All right, so something's a little weird. I'm spelling size wrong. That's not good. So list items. So we'll have to fix that. We'll figure that out in a minute here. Let's see here. List items to match this guy up here. That's the problem. You see how the L is different? I think it's just the way it picks it up. If you paste that in there, that should fix it. I don't even know how to come up with that L, to be honest with you. So now we need to bind our view, which will be bind our list to our data element. So in this case, I'll do holder dot name dot set text, and then I'll put hola for hi. Then I'll do holder dot description dot set text, and I'll put description. There we go. A lot of programming here. All right, so now let's go back to our main activity. Where's that at? It's been so long I don't remember where it's at. All right, so we have our imports here. Make sure we got stuff here. Where you at, buddy? All right, there we go. And let's see here. We need to create a recycle activity in here. So what we're going to do is come down here, and we're going to type in private. So we're going to declare it recycle view, recycler view, and then we're going to do a private recycle. I can't spell. Where's crap? Recycle view dot adapter, and then we'll call adapter. There we go. For some reason it doesn't like that, so we'll have to fix that later. No big deal. Okay, actually I'm gonna change this up a little bit on you guys here. I am going to, because there's still a lot of programming to do here, I'm gonna let you play around with this. I am going to post these videos. I'm not gonna complete this video because there's still about 20 minutes of programming left there at best. And I want you guys to get to this point. I'm gonna actually post some code to have you follow along with it. So you could take the code, think of it as me finishing the project for you. So I started off, have you code a little bit, and then I'll finish it off for you. So I'll post the rest of the code that you can kind of decipher and see where things go at. I want you guys to figure out how things work, which positions go first, and then I'll show you in another video how to create a event lister in each of the rows to make it more interesting. Okay, so stay tuned. It'll be posted to the video. There'll be a link that you'll see that'll display. Let's see, this will go out on Sunday. Whenever you watch this video, Wednesday, I'll have a folder called the rest of the code, and that will display on Wednesday midweek, and you can go and decipher how the code works. All right, thanks for watching, and good luck.